Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Coach Micheal Burt just heading over to my home office here while we build out the greatness factory of Nashville. Let's get some lights going. You know, I believe everybody needs a coach in life. I believe a good coach can change your life. Packing my clothes for, as you can see here. Can you see that? Newport Beach, California, where I'm going to be coming tomorrow for 1 week. Really 5 or 6 days as we break down how to master a stage, right? Tim's story and I, which is the art and science of connection. So good morning to you. Been playing with the kids this morning, about to get a workout in. Good morning, Josh. Going to get all my lights up and going. My home office, and I got a message for you this morning. The message is, what will we do today to create? What will we do today to create? See, a lot of people live in mental, what's called fantasizing. And fantasizing is you have an image or a picture or a mindset, Freddie, of what you want life to look like. And many times that's where people live. That's why they stay so frustrated, is because they can't make a jump from mental creation to physical creation. And I was doing a coaching session last week with Dave Blanchard. Dave Blanchard owns all the rights to Og Mandino's work. He and I do a lot of stuff together. And he was talking about taking your fantasizing, which is mental creation. Mental creation is a gift. Daniel Hodges. The ability to see something with the mind's eye is a gift. Animals do not have this gift, Matthew. But he talked about how when you live in mental creation and you never move to physical creation, you really just live a life where you don't manifest anything. And that's really what he was saying, is that what's the next step that you can take to move from mental to physical creation? What's the next step? What's the next logical step? So when I come into the week, Dawn O'Neill, I come into the week and I go, okay, mental creation was on Sunday, fantasizing about what life could be, opportunities, level 10, everybody's positive. Monday comes around and people typically move into anxiety. It's called catastrophizing. It's where they go to negative town very quickly. And then something negative happens and things fall apart and all those things happen. So then it's like, oh my God, now we go to negative town very quickly. So we want to move from mental creation, okay, right? We want to move from mental creation, got two little ones here, to physical creation. And physical creation is where we take the next best step to move into action today. Now, I have a whole planning system around this. I teach it a lot in to my students in Monster Producer, but it has a lot to do with how we move from seeing something with the mind's eye to creation, which is just taking intentional steps toward where we want to go. So let's make it a great week. If you're in Newport Beach, California, come see me. Come say hi to me. I'll be there from Tuesday. I'll be in LA on Saturday. Folks, if you got a message and you believe in the message, you got to get the message out to the world, don't you, sweetheart? You got to get your message out to the world. So the girls say hello this morning, guys. Let's make it a great day. Love you. Mental to physical. Physical, take the next step that you need to make it happen, okay? Have a great day. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion.
you got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy. They're going to raise capital. They're going to start new businesses. There's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate.
Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no?
When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came.
And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.